Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. I went to Bath and Body Works today. I did. And I went on the search for the new Dove products. I'm actually going to put a screenshot up right here. My friend sent me a picture that she took at a Walmart that's actually south of my house. I went to Target looking for stuff. I didn't find anything. I'm like, I came up empty-handed, nothing. So I'm still looking for those because I'm kind of curious to review them. I'm going to talk about Black Friday in a minute. Bath and Body Works has a ton of new stuff on their app, so we're going to go over all the deals. But first, check it out. Lenny sent me a picture today. This is him in our new Bonleo branded black t-shirt. Starting to get a little bit more of a holiday collection. I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. We now have Holy Hopeful Holidays, the ho 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 with the candle. Lenny came up with that, and I put it on a digital design. So we have that one, and then of course we have the Candle Day stuff, and there's a Christmas Queen of the Girl Geeks. So we're adding stuff like every day. We kind of just like think of stuff and then add it in. So definitely check that out. If you use the code Queen10, you do get 10% off over there. And then, oh, new nail polish. When I went to Target today, I didn't find any of the Dove stuff, but I did get some Essie. This is a new shade. It's called Mystical Mist. I gotta say, I really like it because it's almost like a blue, like sparkly shade. I don't know. I just needed this today. I needed some new nail polish, so I got my new nail polish. Like I said, I went to Bath and Body Works. There's no new stuff coming in. I don't even know if we're getting hot cocoa and cream. Honestly, I'm not seeing it. Who knows if we get it? I'm thinking it's going to be more of like a body care day release. I don't know, or semi-annual sale. We're rolling into all of it, including Black Friday. So today on the app, I'm going to start putting up screenshots. First screenshot, it says, want to see the fortune your Black Friday week holds. Shake to reveal new marvels unfold. You know what? I hate this whole shaking thing because every time I shake, I'm like, you're supposed to shake your phone? I don't know. It's just basically a little video that plays, but I can never get it to start. So the second screenshot says, your future will be full of pure wonder, but those, what does that say? But whose tree will these gifts go under? I was like, that doesn't really make sense. Okay, now it makes sense. I was like, what the heck is that saying? So, sneak peek number 1. Get it November 20th. I gotta look at my calendar, you guys. So they're doing this whole mega week thing on Black Friday week. So this is going to be on Monday, which is a week from today. It's the 3-wick ornament. I have no idea how much this thing's going to cost, but it's Bright Christmas Morning. I feel like Bright Christmas Morning is kind of becoming the flagship because we have it in the Diamond Shimmer Mist. We have it in the Bar Soup. Where's our Winter Candy Apple Vanilla Bean Noel Bar Soap? I don't know. I mean, I don't love this one. So we're getting Bright Christmas Morning in the ornament. I have no idea what the price is going to be on this, but that'll be on the 20th. Okay. Next up for the Mega Week is the November 21st, the Cozy Gingham Socks. I don't know. Is this a gift with purchase? I don't even know what this is. I think it could be, but these are the Cozy Gingham Socks that are coming. And the next one they gave us a sneak peek on is get ready, early access on the 22nd, which is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, the Holiday Wonder gift set. Now that's going to be all pure wonder. There's going to be, looks like some socks, and then the 3-wick candle in pure wonder. It's basically the entire pure wonder set. But it's going to come in that like white sparkly tote. Honestly, I want the tote. I don't even care about the products as much because you know me, I'm not a huge fan of Pure Wonder, but I really want the tote. I have no idea how much the tote's going to cost. I'm guessing it's going to be a purchase with purchase, $35, $40 range. I don't know. We shall see. But as soon as I get more information on the pricing, I will find out. Thanksgiving Day. You know there's going to be a lot of stuff going on Thanksgiving Day online because everything's everything's closed on Thanksgiving, which is good. But we'll have to see. Let me go to Tess. Don't forget to go to Tess. Let me go to her this week's sales. Let's see here. So today's the 13th. We've got the Wallflowers promotion today. It's buy two, get two. I didn't see a lot of people in the store, honestly. No one was shopping today. Tomorrow is going to be the car fragrance. Try it. I think I might get a couple car fragrance. I need a couple. Get me through the winter months. I like winter candy apple. I like the fresh balsam in my car. I like my car to smell like a Christmas tree. So I might do that. I'll have a video on that. Wednesday is the travel hand cream sanitizer. That's going to be a big day. A lot of people like those tiny little try it stuff. So that's going to be huge. And then Friday wellness, Saturday, big soap sale. Okay, so I was in the store today and I did see new soap. I saw summer soap. I'm like, oh my gosh, the summer soap is starting to roll in. They had White Waves, Lavender Cloud, Almond Blossom, Pineapple Mango. That always happens in December, around the time of my annual sale. So we're starting to see that roll again. I am noticing that the Christmas soap is getting very light. I'm wondering this year if a lot of the Christmas stuff is going to start like selling out. This huge like soap sale this weekend, I think it's going to like get a lot of soap moved out of here. So we are on a train that is rolling very quickly now towards Black Friday. I'm going to have all the details. I'm going to break it down for everyone. I usually do a little chart by price. What's the best deal? What's the best day to shop? I feel like this year is a little bit different because they're starting way early and we have all these promos going on. It's a little bit confusing, but I'm going to try and keep everybody organized. I do have more reviews to do just to talk about all of the products. And then, of course, we have Candle Day coming up. So there is a lot going on. When I was in the store today, I did a reel of the faceted. I had it like with the light behind it. These are pretty. I gotta say, I feel like these are totally giftable, even though I feel like I think actually Dahlia is more giftable than Fairy Tale. I talked about that a little bit yesterday. I'm not feeling Fairy Tale. Dahlia, but the Dark Kiss, the You're the One, the Champagne Toast. If you want these, I think they're going to be, flying off the shelves for Black Friday. I don't think they're going to be around for semi-annual sale. I think they're going to be sold out. So think about that. Anyway, oh my goodness, you guys. I will see you guys in a few. Bye-bye.